Okay, I just want to show you how to remove and replace the side panels just here on a DL2. First thing you need to do is remove the battery. So you take the back cover off, battery, just pull it out by gently pulling on the cables and lifting it straight up like that, putting it on the side. Now there's a couple of gaps there or holes there which you can just pry into with a screwdriver. It can be a little bit bigger than this one. And you just want to put it in a little way, just about half a centimetre or so, and gently pop it up until you hear a click on each side. So that just disengages those tabs. The rubber panels on the side here, depending on how disintegrated yours are, just lift out. And you can see there's a little tab around there that's got a piece in the middle just to hold it in place. So just sort of lift up this part of the top panel as you pull it out. So there's this little circle there that grabs hold. Do the same for the other side, like that, and there you go. Now we're not going to pull the whole thing apart to take the top cover off. This is just a quick, cheap way to sort of replace those side panels. So with the replacement panels, again, pay attention to the hole. It doesn't matter which side of the device they go on, but there is a little nub there for the back of the power button or the polarisation button. So when we put them in, what I like to do is just sort of slide them in from the top section down, just making sure that they grab hold inside that little ridge there, and lift that panel up and just pop it into place, just so that the circular piece there fits inside that hole, and just make sure everything's lined within the edges there, and do the same for the other side, like that. So again, make sure they're all pushed down to the side, they're in place, and then it's just a case of snapping it back together like that. Putting the battery back in, getting those pins oriented the right way around, putting the cover back on, and you're done. Easy.